Kain na kayo.
Ay, picture pala yun.
Kung ano lang kaya mo.
Nagbibigay ko na kay Kuya Pao.
Wala ba siyang pagkain?
Meron.
Nalasing daw
Eh,
siya.
baka hindi na kumasa yung damit.
Nalasing siya.
Ha?
Nalasing daw.
Kagabi?
Mm.
Lagi naman nalawas.
Pupunta
Wala
na
baka
ibang room.
nare-record yung mga sinasabi mo.
Recorded pa po ba?
Hanggang sa matapos ba to? Nape-pressure ako ng video. Hindi pala pwede. Nakataas ako ng paa pag ko.
And I'll be yours until the stars fall from the sky. Yours until the rivers all run dry. In other words, until I die. Baby, I'm yours. Baby, I'm yours. And I'll be yours until the sun no longer shines. Yours until the poets run out of rhyme. In other words, until the end of time. I'm gonna stay right here. Hear me say, baby, I'm yours.
Dear my love, my dog bully, my Janjat. Today, we will finally be officially and legally binded. It's really fascinating that a simple invite over coffee would lead into this, us getting married. I've told you before that I really do believe that I'm meant to get married. I think most girls do. May it due to the dream of finding our Prince Charming, or just to envision the day where we can live as real-life princess. For me, it all happened real quick. You made me feel not just a princess, but beyond it, a true queen. Definitely better, I must say.
I give her all my love, that's all I do. And if you saw my love, you'd love her too. I love her.
Hi, love. So, kung ano man yung inilalim ng English mo, gano'n namang kalalim ng Tagalog ng akin. Madalas nating marinig na walang perpektong pamilya or mag-asawa. Marami pa tayong malalaman at mas makikilala pa natin ang isa't isa kahit tapos na tayong kasal. Ganun pa man, matapos man itong higit isang taon nating pinaghandaan. Paghandaan din sana natin ang mga bagong kabanata ng buhay na harapin natin. Bilang iyong magiging asawa ngayong araw, pinapangako ko na hindi ko man maibibigay ang perpekto o ideal na asawa. Sisiguraduhin ko naman na ito ay aking pagtatrabahuhan at pagsusumikapan.
I know this love of mine will never die, and I love her.
You've told me that the idea of marriage was not even on your mind. Not until you've met me. Again, after 12 years. Not sure if you remember, but I think the first time we talked about marriage was during our first Christmas together, December 25, 2023. It felt so natural. You did not even flinch at the thought, and that really showed how serious you were about us. Just 15 days after we became officially together.
Kung dumating man ang panahon ay ako'y nagiging mahina, nahihirapan or naguguluhan, Sa mga bagay na kailangan nating desisyonan, pinapangako ko na hindi ito magiging hadlang o dahilan upang hindi ko magampanan ang responsibilidad ko sa iyo. Kung dumating man ang panahon na tayo ay haharap sa mga di nating inaasahang laban sa buhay, aalalayan kita dahil alam kong nandyan ka para samahan ako.
Yeah, I'll tell you something. I think you'll understand.
Just a little bit.
First time.
First time eh.
I vow to make you the most special meals in accordance to your MSG and salt tolerance. I vow to be your best partner in all situations. Your soft self can always find comfort and home in my long flabby arms.
Marami man tayong pinagdaanan, nakilala o nakasalamuha. Sa huli, tayo pa rin ang haharap sa altar at magpapalitan ng I do. Tandaan mo palagi, sa hirap at ginhawa, mamahalin kita sa paraan na kung paano ko mahalin ang sarili ko. Yung tipong hindi ka madedehado.
You let me hold your hand. Now let me hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. And when I touch you, I feel happy inside. It's such a feeling that my love I can't hide, I can't hide, I can't hide. Yeah, you got that.
Each day, my love for you grows. After today, I am looking forward to our next wedding. I love you, my love. I would marry you in any time.
Nice.
Ganda.
Yeah.
Play ChatGPT.
Yeah.
Wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand.
Kain tayo.
Kain tayo. Hindi ko alam kasi ano ba ginagawa pag after novels. Umiiyak ba
Kain
dapat?
tayo.